Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Icon Cash. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money on Amazon without writing any book. Most of the method we have been exposed to is all how you are going to write your ebook, how you are going to publish it, and how you're going to design it. But today I'm going to be revealing to us how we can start a low or no content creations, how we can design the ebooks, how we can design the cover using free software. So that's why you need to, I would like you to stay to the end of the video so that you can see the software which I will be recommending to you. Remember, as I said earlier, I'm going to be teaching you how you can start your low content business on Amazon. So let us proceed further to the tutorial. I'm going to be guiding you on how you are going to proceed further, how you are going to start your low content business. Very simple and straightforward. So the first place to go is just to move to your browser. So from your browser, move to your Google. Just look at here. We have BookBoat interior generator. BookBoat interior generator. Just use your Google search. Don't use bookboat.com or anything. Interior generator. So after you search on this, so you have something like this. You have something like this. You have something like this. Just look for interior generator design panel login. You can see design panel login. So when you click on design panel login, it will load. You can see you have different sheet and different size. You can see of various size. You can see a lot of them, of which you can download them for free. You can download them for free without paying anything. You are not going to pay a dime for downloading this. So, and you can download anything of your various size. Now let us use one as an example. Let us assume I'm going for let me choose one. Let us assume I'm going for fishing log. So you just click on the fishing log like this. You come to this side, you select no bleed. You come to this side, you pick any size of your choice. Paperback, you can see paperback. You select any size of your choice. So for me, I do use 6x9. I do use 5x8. Those are the two I do use. So you can just select 5x8. So when you select 5x8, you enter the page you want to download. Your own may be 50 page, your own may be 200 page, your own may be 100 page, but I do like to use 120 page. I do use 120 page. So you click on 120 page. So immediately you click on 120 page. So you click on download. When you click on download, you will be able to download it for free. You can see this is what you are going to get, your 120 page. This is how you are going to get your 120 page. Very simple and straightforward. So when you download your 120 page, remember the size we use 5x8 120 page. So then you now need to know how you need to furthermore to designing your cover. That is very important. Before you design any cover on Amazon, there is software there is a tools we call Amazon cover Amazon paperback cover design calculator. So you just go to your Google, just search for it, Amazon, or you can just copy this URL link. I will drop it inside below the video description. kdb.amazon.com/cover calculator. So then you come to this place like this. So you will radiate it to this place. So from this place, you click on it, you select paperback because we are doing paperback. The interior, you select black and white for the interior. You can select anything. Your own may be premium, your own may be standard color, premium color, but I do use black and white. The paper type, the paper type is black color, white color. Then you select the direction. The direction is left to right, and you select inches. Then the interior, remember we use 5 by 8, so you select 5 by 8. After 5 by 8, then you enter the page count, which is going to be 120 and 120. Then you click on calculate dimension. You can see they have given us what we are going to be using. So we are going to be using 10 by 5.2, 10.52 by 8.25. So you just go to your Canva. Canva is the software we are going to be using to design our cover. So just go to your Canva. This is how your Canva is going to look like, whether it is premium or free. This is how it's going to look like. Then you click on custom size. You click on custom size. You go back to the size calculator. It is 10 by 2.5. So you change this one to inches. Remember, you are using inches, and this one to be 10.52. Then you come back again, 8.25. Then you select 8.25, 8.25. Then you start by saying create new design. So when you click on create a new design, it will load to a new page like this. So when it loads to a new page like this, you can just start by designing it. You can just come to shape, just come to element. Under element, you have shape and line and every other things. Just select shape, let it load, give it time to load. So here you can see, you select the shape is already here. You drag it to the edges. You drag it to the edges like this. Here you can see, you can now change it to any size, any color of yours, any color you like. I do use black, I don't know, or brown, any of the color. So you come here. After that, you can just come below it. We have different, you can see, you start design your cover. So that's all. You can put this one too. So you have started to design your cover. So if you have an idea, you can still apply your own idea, but that's my own little idea on Canva, based on Canva. So from there, to insert the text, you just come to text. When you come to text, waiting for it to load. Let us wait for it to load. So waiting for it to load. So let me click it again. The network here is bad. The test. So in most cases, you may not even put the topic in front of it. You may not put the topic in front of it in most cases. So keep changes. So after you have added the title, added everything you want to add, you just come to this place, share. When you click on the share, then you change it to, you come to download. When you come to download, so you select the PDF format. When you select the PDF format, then your journal and your cover is ready. So you can then upload it to any of the, you can just upload it to Amazon and they continue to pay you. If you have gained something from this, you can just drop me a comment, or if there is any other thing you want me to explain, you can just let me know in the comment section. Drop it in the comment section so I can work on it. Thank you.